How much salary do you expect? This is a very critical question. How much salary do you expect? So before jumping into this, few homeworks which you have to do is you have to try to find out the range of salary for the same post with competition, or if possible in the same company. If you can get hold of someone who is working in the company, and if you can get some information about the salary range, then that would be very helpful. That is the prerequisite before deciding how much or how you can answer this question. Before giving any figure to the interviewer, I would recommend that you ask the interviewer for a range which the HR has decided for this job profile. Okay, so these are the few checks which we need. So what we are going to do if the salary offered is less than our expectation? See, first of all, we should not be afraid to negotiate. You have to remember that you are sitting on that desk because you have been finalized and they are offering you a salary. Tell them politely and with a smile that thank you for the offer and the opportunity. However, basis the market, you are expecting at least X amount, and also you have an experience of so many years in the same field. I will give you a bonus tip. Whatever the interviewer offers you as a salary, it is always discounted by 20% of what they can actually offer or what is their budget. If the budget approved is 100,000, for example, they will offer you 80. So, basis this, always ask for at least 15% raise from the amount which has been offered to you. If you ask for 15%, you may end up getting a higher package of 10%. So this 10% will look small, but if you are going to work in that company for the next 3 to 5 years, that is a huge amount of money, and that is just 5 minutes of your negotiation. You have to remember that in life everything is a negotiation. When you are crossing the road also, that is a negotiation. You are checking with the car who is coming, and you are negotiating whether you are going first or you need to let the car go first, right? Everything is a negotiation, so your negotiation skills needs to be good. So you have to also understand the interviewer perspective, that if you are selected, that they would always prefer that you join the company rather than the second choice. Even if even at a discounted price, they would not prefer the second choice because that's why they have selected you. If it is 10 to 15% higher, they should not mind. That is what my experience tells me about the people who decide to negotiate. So with this slides, this basic questions, I hope that this would help you in your interview rounds. But most important is that you must take care of your body language and your negotiation skills. You have to improve on that. Let's move ahead. Here I am going to give you some bonus tips. So first tip is 10 to 15% rule. Always ask for a 10 to 15% hike on the salary you are offered. Don't ask too much high. If you are offered, say example 1000, don't ask for 2000. You can only ask for a hike of say 10 to 15%. Remember, they have a budget, and that budget is only 20 to 25% higher than the one which they have offered you. If you will ask them, they will always come back and tell you that it is out of our budget, we cannot do anything. Okay, but if they genuinely want to hire you, then the budget issue is never an issue. Always remember this thumb rule. Second most important thing is set the tone. By set the tone, I mean try to talk more about your strengths in your field. Example, if you know SQL, Java, if you are a master in accounting, or you are an Excel expert, or you have training skills, then talk about it more. This will subconsciously make the interviewer ask more about the things which you are talking about. So this will help you answer them better and take the interview forward. I hope these tips will help you in the interview process. Please always remember that your body language is the key. Always stay relaxed, calm, and the interviewer is only a human being. He has also started from the scratch. Don't forget that. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like it and please subscribe to my channel. I will be coming up with more such videos. Thank you for watching Money Energy TV. Have a good day. Thank you.